yogis, a little time out for you. I'm taking you to this beautiful place, which is in Mallorca. And yeah, I will just give you a little bit of a yoga session quickly, but nice for you to just energize. There are like wasps and so on around, but I will try not to be distracted. And I hope you enjoy it. So let's just get right away into it. We're gonna start in standing. Just come into Tadasana and just arrive, close your eyes for a second. Tuck in the pelvis, palms facing forward, close your eyes, and just roll your shoulders down and back. Inhale, roll them up. Exhale down. One more time, inhale up. Exhale down. Set your own intention here. So one more deep breath. Out through the mouth. Next inhale, open your eyes, both arms going up. Exhale, forward fold. First round, we're gonna take it slow. Have your feet hip width apart. Just let yourself hang here. Maybe you've been sitting all day. Relax your hamstrings for a few seconds. And then on the next inhale, come into halfway lift and try to really stretch the crown of your head towards the front of your yoga mat. Exhale, lower down again. Two more. Inhale up. And exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. And exhale down. Place your hands down and then step back to plank pose right away. First round only, as usual, I promise. Try to hold it here, tucking your tailbone a little bit, sink in the belly button towards your spine. Your fingers are spread wide and the gaze is going down towards the mat. And just try to feel into your core here. Try to feel the strength and try to feel how you're powerful within your Manipura chakra. Your heart chakra is still open, so don't fall down, don't collapse too much. Try to create one straight line, pressing the heels down. If you want to have a little bit less, drop your knees. If you want to have a little bit more, you can come with me and just exhale. Drop the right knee, dip, and inhale, press it straight again. Exhale, drop the left knee. Inhale, straight again. Two more times each side. Exhale, right knee. Inhale, back. Exhale, left knee. Inhale, back. Stay strong. One more time. Exhale, right knee. Inhale, back. And exhale, left knee and back. Take one more deep breath in. And exhale, shift forward. And just lower down, elbows in. And then inhale. Come up into baby cobra. Exhale, lower down. Two more times each side. Inhale up. Exhale down. And then look over your right shoulder. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, left shoulder. Exhale down. Again, inhale right. Exhale down. Inhale left. Exhale down. One more time right. Exhale down. One more time left. And exhale down. Inhale, tuck the toes and just press up into a plank pose. Hold here for one breath again. Exhale. And then press back to downward facing dog here. There's a spider coming towards my hands. Let's see where she wants to go. Maybe she's just staying here. And then press back. You can walk back a little bit, heel to heel, a little bit down, stretching out the hamstrings a little bit more. We're gonna need it for our peak pose. Head back to your breath. And then one more deep breath in. And exhale, lower your knees down. From here, starting with the left arm, you're gonna push your hip back, reach your left hand back, and with the exhale, come to the front, make a big circle, and then just pulse that. Inhale, draw back, exhale over the front. One more time with the left arm. Inhale back, and exhale front. Switching sides. Right hand is going back. Inhale, hip pushes back. Exhale over the front, big circle. Two more times each side. This side. Inhale back. Exhale over the front. And one more time. Inhale back. And exhale to the front. Come into tabletop. And now we're going to lift our left leg straight back. Try to flex the foot. And then you're going to turn the toes facing towards the left side. And just bringing your left foot. I'm showing you my dirty feet probably. Sorry for that. I'm just trying to hold it here. Engage and open your hip. One more breath in. Exhale. Place down the left foot. And then here, cobra and cat and cow, not cobra. Inhale, drop the belly, look up. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale up. Exhale, round the spine. One more time, inhale up. And exhale, round. Stay here. Really try to round and make space in your back. And then inhale, back to tabletop. Exhale. Inhale, lifting the left leg back up again. And point it straight back. Switching sides. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Turn the toes towards the right side. And then shift the right leg towards the right side. Try to not move so much your upper body. Your hip will be going a little bit to the left, which is fine. Take one more breath in. And exhale, lower down the right foot on the same height of your left knee. And then same thing here. Inhale, drop the belly. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, drop. Exhale, round. One more time. Inhale, drop. Exhale, round. Inhale, back to tabletop. Exhale. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, push it back and lower down the knee. Beautiful. Inhale, bring your weight into the left arm, opening up the right. And then exhale, thread the needle, bring your right temple down towards the ground. And then you can come onto your fingertips of the left hand, or you can lift up the left hand high and try to come into a bind here, grabbing the inside of your right thigh. And relax your right shoulder. Come back to your breath. One more breath in and out. Inhale, lifting the left arm high. Exhale, place it in front of your face. Inhale, right arm up. And exhale, set it down. Other side. Inhale, left arm is coming up. And then exhale, thread the needle. Come onto your left temple. And again, here you can stay here. Or bring the right hand a little bit more in front. Come onto the fingertips of the right hand. Or you can lift the right hand up. And then maybe come into a bind, grabbing the inside of your left thigh. Try to feel that big stretch. One more breath in and out. Inhale, right arm comes up. And exhale, place it in front of the face. Inhale, lift the left arm up. And exhale, place it down. Beautiful. Inhale, tucking the toes, just lifting the knees up. One more little core strength, and then that's it for today, I promise. So stay strong here. You can stay here or drop the knees, however you like. If you want a little bit more, lifting the left toes up. Exhale, bring it to your left upper arm. Exhale, bring it back, and then set it down. Inhale, lift the right foot up. Exhale, bring it to the right forearm, right upper arm. Inhale, pull it back, and exhale, lower down. 2 more times each side. Inhale, left up. Exhale, left upper arm. Inhale, back. Exhale, set it down. Inhale, right up. Exhale, right upper arm. Inhale, back. And exhale, set it down. 1 more time, stay with me. Inhale, left up. Exhale, touch. Inhale, back. Exhale, set it down. Whew, hot. Inhale, right toes up. Exhale, right upper arm. Inhale, back. Exhale, set them down. 1 more breath in. And exhale, push the hip back. Come again into downward facing dog. And just come back to your breath. Let the intensity go. You can also always come into child's pose, spreading the knees wide. And just crawl to the front with your fingertips to relax. So see what's good for you here today. And whenever you are ready, come back into downward facing dog. 1 more breath here. And exhale. Inhale, bending the knees, look to the front. Step a hop to the front. Come into a halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come up all the way. And exhale, hands to your chest. Inhale, both arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, step back. Flow through your vinyasa, knees, chest, chin, cobra or upward facing dog. And then exhale, downward facing dog. Next breath in, lifting the right leg up and just open your hip here. Try to really get as much of a widening of your right hip as possible. Drop the right foot to your left sitting bone. And then make 3 circles here in clockwise direction. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, stretch the right leg back. And then exhale, bring it to the front of the mat. And then here, placing the left foot in a 45-degree angle. And then come up with a straight spine. Come into warrior 1 on the right side. Establishing here. Take a breath in and out. And then inhale, spreading your arms wide as a cactus. And then exhale, bring the left arm below your right. And come into eagle arms here. Stay strong with your legs. Push towards the outer edge of your left foot. Your right knee is still bent. Inhale, lean back a little bit. And exhale, humble warrior. Lower down, maybe bring the right foot a little bit more towards the right side. Try to bring the left hip as well towards the front as it wants to come back. And just try to bring the right shoulder on the inside of your right knee and feel the big stretch here. Take 1 more deep breath in and out. Inhale, come back up again, warrior 1. And exhale, flow through your vinyasa. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. And exhale, downward facing dog. Let's go into the other side. Inhale, left leg lifts up. And then exhale, dropping the left foot towards your sitting bone. Opening the hip, give it a good yawn. Try to really press into the left hand, the same as the right. And then 3 circles anti-clockwise. 1, 2 and 3. Stretch it back on the inhale and exhale. Bring the left foot towards the front, maybe shift it a little bit more towards the left side. Right foot in a 45-degree angle, and then again coming up, warrior one on the left side. Having ants all over my body here. And then stay strong here. Press into the edge of your right foot. And then inhale, opening your arms, cactus them. And exhale, bring the right arm below the left. Come into eagle arms on the other side. Inhale, maybe lean back a little bit. And exhale, just fall between your legs. Bring the left shoulder on the inside of your left knee. And just drop down deep. Come back to your breath, bring your right hip as well down and towards the front. One more breath in and out. Inhale, be strong in your legs, and then come up to warrior one, maybe lean back, and exhale, flow through your vinyasa. Chaturanga Dandasana or knees, chest, chin. Inhale up. And exhale, push your hip back. Inhale, bending the knees, lift to the front, and then step to the front. Come into halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bend your knees, come up. Exhale, hands to your chest. Inhale, both arms up. And now hook the right thumb over the left. Stretch up. And exhale, lean towards the right side. Now just turn towards the camera so you can see. And then come back to middle, inhale. Exhale towards the left. Inhale, back to middle. 2 more times. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the middle. Exhale to the left. Inhale, middle. Exhale to the right. Really lean as much as you can, opening your ribcage. Come to the middle. And then one more time to the left. And back to middle. Hands towards your chest. Take a breath in. Out through the mouth. Inhale, both arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back to plank. Lower down your version, Chaturanga Dandasana. Or knees, chest, chin, come up. Exhale, push back, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg lifts up again. And exhale, bring it towards your nose. Inhale, up. Exhale, towards your nose. One more time, up. Exhale, towards your nose. Last time, up. And then exhale, swing it towards the front. And then placing the left foot in a 90-degree angle, bring the right hand inside of your right leg, inside of your right knee, and then lifting up, come into side angle. And then take a breath in. Exhale, make another circle as we did before, towards the front, as you would draw a big circle into the sky. Inhale, up over the back. Exhale, over the front. Bring it back up. One last circle over the front. Inhale, up. And then you can stay here, or if you want, you can bring the left arm behind you. Just place it on your lower back, or maybe come into a wrap. If you want a little bit more, you can stay here, by the way, all the time. If you want a little bit more, you can bring the right arm below the right leg, catching the left wrist. And then you can stay here, or if you still want a little bit more, coming to our peak pose, you're going to look down towards your right foot, and then step the left foot up. And then come onto the tips of your toes here, and then find one focal point and just come up into bird of paradise. You can stay here with leg bend or try to stretch it out. Try stay in line with your breath. One more time, inhale. Exhale, bend the knee if you stretched it, and then slowly lower down. Step the left foot back, placing the right foot down again. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale. And on the next inhale, come back to reverse warrior. And exhale, lower down. Vinyasa. Flow through your version. Whatever feels good here. Medium downward facing dog. Deep breath in and out. 2 more times. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. 1 more time. Inhale. And exhale. Next inhale. Lifting the left leg up. Exhale. Bring it towards your nose. Inhale up. Exhale to the nose. Round your back. Shift forward. Inhale up. Last time to the nose. Really pull it up as high as you can. Inhale, last time up. And exhale, place the left foot towards the front. Right foot comes in a 90 degree angle, not 95. You can also do 95, but I mean 90. Left arm inside of your left foot. Left leg, and then the right arm comes up. Try to create one long line. Take a breath in. Exhale, circle over the front. Inhale, over the back. Exhale, towards the front. Inhale, back. One more time. Exhale, front. Inhale, back. Stay up with your arm. You can stay here. Or if you want a little bit more, drop the right hand behind your back. You can stay here. Or try to grab the inside of your left thigh. You can stay here. Or if you want a little bit more, try to bring the left arm below your left leg. And maybe see whatever is there to catch. It's like you would shake someone's hand, or you can also try to get your wrist, whatever your shoulder movement is allowing you here. And then you can stay here, opening the shoulder more towards the sky. Or if you want to try on the other side, looking down towards your left foot, and then controlled, bringing the right foot towards the front, and then slowly coming up, bending the left knee first, opening up, standing straight. And then if you want to try straightening the left leg, it really demands a lot of strength and focus, and also balance. So don't worry if you fall. It's just about learning. One more breath in. And exhale, bending the left leg. Slowly bring it down towards the ground, and then stepping back with the right foot, placing the left hand down again. Inhale the right arm up. Exhale, bring it to the front. Inhale, reverse warrior. And then exhale, vinyasa. Bring it down towards the mat. Inhale, cobra, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful. One more deep breath in and out. And then dropping your knees down to the mat, for me towards the stones. And then just sit back onto your butt. And then we're gonna come into double seated pigeon. So we're gonna have the left foot just in front of us, and we're gonna take the right foot and place it flexed, with the right foot flexed onto our left knee. And then you see this gap here, so it's also super normal for me. Don't try to get discouraged. If it hurts too much, you can always just place the legs in front of each other, or sit on a block. It makes it easier as well. Otherwise, if you want to try, inhale, both arms up. Exhale, hands towards your chest, lean towards the front, and then try to bring the right elbow on the inside of the right foot of the right sole, opening up the left shoulder. Deep breath in and out. Release. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, forward fold with both arms towards your own extension. Get into this deep hip stretch. One more inhale. And exhale, slowly crawl back here. And then there are two options for the next one. So stretch out your left leg in front of you, and then just bring the left foot next to your hip. Place it down so it's really snug and tight towards your left seating bone. And then you can have the right sole of your foot inside, on the inside of your left thigh. Just stay here. Or if you want a little bit more, you try to bring the right foot up. Either way, you are lifting up both arms. Turn towards the right, and then placing the left hand in front of you or onto your right knee. And then either way as well, just bring the hand on your lower back, or try to catch the right toe with your right hand. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, turn towards the back. I really always feel this so much in my right shoulder. Try to see and feel whatever you feel, and know that it's going to be passing away anyway. Trying to be equanimous. And then on the next inhale, slowly release, both arms coming up. Exhale, both hands behind you, and then slowly release both feet towards the front and just wiggle out a little bit. And then we're going to switch sides. Right leg comes down towards double seated pigeon, so see whatever suits you here. Again, you can cross it in front of each other or make the double seated pigeon work for you. Bringing the left foot onto the inside of your right knee. And then again, you see the space here as well. So just see whatever is good for you. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, hands in prayer position. Lean to the front, and then maybe bringing the left elbow on the inside and onto the sole of your left foot. Oof, what a stretch in the left hip. Opening up the shoulder. One more breath in and out. And then on the next inhale, slowly release both arms up. And exhale, fall over both legs. Again, feel the stretch. Mostly in your left hip now, but also on the right. And for everyone, it's super different. One more breath in and out. Slowly crawl up. And then lean back a little bit, and then the right foot comes in front of us. The left foot is inside of the right thigh, and then you're gonna bend the left foot back next towards your right seating bone. And then either way, you can stay here, or you can bring the left foot up. Crawl it up and try to bring as much as you can of your of the top of your foot on towards, laying on towards your thigh. Again, both arms coming up. Exhale, twist towards the left, and then exhale, the right hand comes onto the left knee, left hand behind you, or maybe you want to come into the bind again, grabbing the big toe of your left foot with your left hand. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, twist over towards the back. Maybe the side feels completely different. Maybe better, maybe worse. And again, either way, it will be over at some point. So just enjoy while you can get it. One more breath in. Exhale to a twist. And then inhale, both arms are coming up. Exhale, placing both hands behind us. Shift a little bit back. And then both feet towards the front of your mat, or turn this side again. And then just the last asana, stretching or flexing the feet, pulling the toes towards you, and then placing both hands next to you. Really push out, chest is coming out, shoulder blades go down the back. Dandasana. Just for 3 breaths. Inhale. And exhale. Try to engage everything. 2 more breaths. Inhale. And exhale. Press into the floor. 1 more time. Inhale. And exhale, slowly let go of the tension. Placing both feet on the ground. And then bring both arms towards the front. And then slowly towards the count of 10, we lower down. Take a breath in. And then exhale with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Hold here in the middle. You can breathe normally, don't hold your breath. Hold it, take a breath in, and then exhale for the rest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and all the way down. Both knees come in, and then keep the right knee in, stretch out the left leg. Place the right hand towards the side and then twist over on the exhale, and there was a little crack. Next inhale, bring your right leg up again. Bring your left knee to the chest, stretch out the right leg. Left arm comes to the side. Inhale, exhale, cross over. And then next inhale, both knees in. And then the last one we have today, happy baby. And then just get the outside of your feet. Try to pull the knees down next to your ribs. Try to press with your feet up towards the ceiling or the sky. All 4 corners of your back. So the lower back, left and right, and also the shoulders are down the mat. Try to really press everything down into the mat at the same time. Press the feet up. Get the biggest stretch you can get. You can swing a bit side to side or just stay stable. One more deep breath in. And out, slowly release. And for today, bring the soles of your feet together, placing the right hand on your belly, the left hand on your chest. And then just for the ending of this practice, let's breathe a bit. Take a deep breath in. And out through the mouth. We inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Last round. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. And then come back to normal breathing. Feel the effects of the breathing. Take another deep breath in, out through the mouth, and then tuck in your knees, and then just roll onto seated position. Last thing to close the practice here. Come into a final seated position, both hands resting onto your knees. Find a little bit of a state of meditation, feeling the practice doing its job inside. And then bring your hands towards your chest in prayer position, lifting your hands to your forehead for clarity of thoughts, hands towards your lips for thoughtfulness of speech, and back towards your chest for consistency of action. May the yoga be guiding you through whatever you are thinking, saying, and doing. Thank you for your practice. Namaste. Thank you so much for your practice, yogis. See you next time in live on the mat. And stay tuned. You can also do the other practices again on the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, just drop it below or send me a message. Goodbye.